Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a high-performance cleaning robot built for homeowners who want powerful suction, advanced edge cleaning, and a fully automated maintenance station. This is the Roborock Saros 10R, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop engineered to handle carpets, hard floors, corners, and daily messes with outstanding efficiency. The first thing that stands out is its impressive 22,000 PA suction, one of the highest ratings in any robot vacuum. This level of power allows the Saros 10R to pull out dust, fine particles, crumbs, and deeply trapped pet hair from carpets and textured flooring. Even after a single run, you can see how much cleaner high-traffic areas become. A major innovation here is the Zero-Tangling system, which prevents hair and threads from wrapping around the brush. For homes with pets or long hair, this drastically reduces day-to-day maintenance and keeps the suction power stable. Paired with the FlexiArm Riser Technology, the robot automatically lifts its components when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, helping it maintain optimal performance across different surfaces. Its ultra-slim 3.14-inch body helps it reach under furniture, sofas, and low-clearance areas that most vacuums miss. With its advanced corner and edge cleaning system, the Saros 10R extends a soft side brush to sweep into tight spaces, giving you a more complete cleaning result than standard circular robots. The self-emptying dock is another big advantage. After each cleaning session, the robot automatically disposes of debris into a large dust bag, meaning you can go weeks without emptying anything manually. The dock also features hot air mop pad drying, helping prevent odors, bacteria buildup, and moisture-related issues, keeping the mop pads fresh and ready for the next cycle. Navigation is smooth and intelligent. The robot identifies obstacles, maps your rooms with precision, and plans efficient cleaning paths. Whether your home has toys, pet bowls, cables, or uneven layouts, the Saros 10R adapts without hesitation. From the app, you can manage schedules, create zones, set no-go or no-mop areas, and customize room-by-room cleaning power. For anyone wanting a low-maintenance, high-power cleaning system that handles both carpets and floors, the Roborock Saros 10R is a huge upgrade. With smart cleaning, strong suction, an ultra-smart dock, and advanced edge performance, it's built to deliver premium results every time. Check the Amazon link below to learn more, and make sure to subscribe for more detailed product reviews.